Hi guys, how you doing? Just another little quick workshop video, and in today's video I'm going to fit a Pyramid Plastics fender extender to the front mudguard on the V Strom. So basically what I'm going to do is extend this mudguard down about 5-6 inches or so, and what that does is it just helps keep the sump, the oil filter and the header pipes clean. It doesn't eliminate it all, but it certainly does reduce the spray that you get. And as you can see, I've already got one fitted to the rear of the Honda, and also I've fitted one to the front of the Honda. Now they've been on the bike since day one, but I'm a little bit late to the party with the fender extender for the V Strom. So let's get it fitted. Right, so this is a fender extender here, and basically what I'm going to do is just secure it to the underside of the mudguard there. Now you probably could do this, that steering is on its full lock, you probably could do this on the bike without taking the mudguard off, but I think I'm just going to take the mudguard off. That way I can give it a really good clean, and yeah, I think it'll just make it a bit easier. Plus, knowing my luck, if I'm drilling holes in this, I'll end up drilling into the tyre, and I'll probably do it more than once. So just to be safe, I'm going to remove this mudguard, and it looks fairly simple. Just 6 Allen bolts and a couple of connectors, and that should be off. So let's get this off first. Right, what I think I'll do first is find a prise tool. This should do it, and I basically just want to try and prise this off gently without breaking it. Just try and lift it up. It's quite tight. There we go. Right, that's that out. That's that little clip out. It's just a little prise tool like this that I'm using, just a car trim tool. So I'll do the same on that side as well, and we'll get that off. Right, moving on to the other side, I can see this is different. So that looks like it's held in a little U-shape bracket that you're in there. So that little bracket there. So I'm going to have to try and hopefully tease this out, because that looks like a nut, but it's not. So we'll try and release this brake pipe. Yeah, it's coming out. I think it's coming out. There we go. That was a wee bit tight, but we've bring it out. We've got that out. So that's the mudguard effectively ready just to unbolt. So I'll dig out some tools for that. Right, now to get these out, I like to use a little bit of a finger of a glove just to put over the Allen, the head of the Allen key, because these are black bolts, and I've always found that if you're undoing them, you end up scraping the paint, and then you see the white bits in the middle, and it doesn't look nice. So I just like to try and protect the paint as much as I can. See that, or I'll have to end up repainting the nuts. Right, that's cracked off. It just protects the paint and stops them from losing the paint on the edges. Right, I'll just jump round and do the same on the other side. Right, that's me undone the fixings from the other side as well. So now it should just be a matter of trying to tease this out. And get it off. There we go. Right, one mudguard off. Right, now that I've got the mudguard off, I'm just going to give it a little clean on the underside. This is just soapy water, and I'll give it a little clean before I degrease it. Right, that's that clean. I'll just get the degreaser and we'll give it a degrease. But as you can see there, that's how it's going to attach on the underside. So when we turn it around, it'll be there. I'm going to give this top half a little clean as well, because I'll be putting some masking tape on this so that I can evenly space the rivets. So yeah, let's get a hold of the degreaser wherever I put that. Right, I've got the degreaser here. It's in Chinese, so I don't know what it says. It probably says degreaser. So we'll get that out of its packet. Oh, you don't really get much, do you? I might just stick some panel wipe on it and give this a quick little degrease, and also under here. So we'll give that a degrease for the adhesive. And we'll let that flash off, and I'll do the same to this. I'll just give this a little degrease. I am putting rivets in it, but this is just belt and braces. Right, that's that one. Right, I'll give that a minute or so and let that flash off. Right, that's had time to flash off now, and so I'm just going to stick some stickers on that, and before I do that I just want to double check that I've got it where I want it, where I'm going to put it. So I think there will be about right. So there will be a little gap there, but it matches all the contours. So yeah, about there. As long as it's even, that's what counts. So yeah, about there. So I'll put the stickers on there, and then we'll get the drill out and we'll drill it. So I'll just stick some stickers on this section here. So I've got some spare here, so maybe the triangles. Put one about there. Like I say, I don't need to be too pernickety with these. I think I'll just put 3 triangles on it, because it's really just to hold it. Right, so if I stick them on there, give them a good push down, and then that's going to find the front, or the back I should say, there, and then that'll go in there like so. So that's how we're going to do it. You only really get one hit at this, so we'll just try and get it right first time. If not, plenty more stickers, that's for sure. Right, moment of truth, let's get this on. About there, we'll say. There we go, stuck. Yep, that's it on. Right, now that's stuck on, I'm going to stick a bit of masking tape on here and then mark out where I want to drill the rivets, because obviously I want them spaced evenly, I just don't want them randomly. So I'll get the masking tape. Right, now all that's stuck on, time to get the rivets on, so I'm just going to pop a bit of masking tape over that and find the contour of the extender. Right, that's there, and so that the rivets are nicely spaced, I'll grab a pencil and I'll just trammel about 10mm, 15mm back. Just so it's roughly even. Right, so that line that I've just marked on it there, don't know if you'll see it very well on camera, but that's where the rivets are going to be centred. So obviously I want to get 4 of them, so what I'll do is I'll just work out where I'm going to put them and then we'll come back. Right, I've marked out 4 holes where I'm going to put these little rivets, so they'll go through these 4 holes here. The size of the drill bit that I'm using is 4mm, so that's the thickness of the rivets, and then when obviously they get pushed in they'll expand out. So yeah, let's get the first one drilled, make sure that's okay. Right, that's the first one drilled, and before I drill all 4 of them, obviously I just want to make sure that it fits in. Yeah, that's going to go in there absolutely perfect. So I'll just get the rest of these drilled. Right, nice and easy. So what I'll do now is I'll just get the masking tape off it. No longer required. And I've rolled it under the typical. Right, that's the masking tape off, just clear off that swarf. Right, So now it's just a matter of popping these rivets in. Shove them right in. Tell you, that drill bit might be too tight. Maybe not. Maybe so. That's not going right in. Now what I'll do is open up this right, that's one in. There we are, that's it. Right, that's all 4 rivets in, and it doesn't look too bad. Not too shabby. Right, what I'll do is I'll get that fitted back onto the bike. Right, now we get this back together. Maybe if I put it on the right way, that would help. That would certainly help. Right, one in. Without dropping it. There we have it. Now to put this back, this mudguard back in. Let's get you in a better position. What I might actually do is put a little bit of lube on it. That should help it slide back in, like so, and clip that back in. And there we have it. Yeah, so let's get that cleaned up, get the water off it, and we'll have a little look at it. So there we have it. That's the fender extender all fitted, and I think that looks quite cool. I don't know why it's taken me so long to get it fitted. Well, I'll tell you why it's taken me so long to get it fitted, is because I completely forgot all about it. And like I say, that was the first thing that I fitted to the Honda when I got that, before it even really went out on the road. But when I went to buy one of them when I first got the bike, they were out of stock. That's what it was. And then I've obviously just forgotten all about it. And it's done just over 2,600 miles now. And that's me just fitting it. But fortunately, I haven't really ridden it in any rain as such. So yeah, that's fender extender fitted to it there. And yeah, that looks not too bad. Quite happy with that. And it should, well, I know it will. It'll help protect the header pipes, your oil cooler, your oil filter, and what have you. It'll help save them getting completely splattered when it's raining. So yeah, that's it fitted, and fitted with the rivets. And as you can see there, they're rivets. They don't look too bad. They're fairly evenly spaced. So yeah, that'll do the job. So guys, if you have made it this far, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.